Namaste everyone, how you all been doing? It's been a year I haven't made any videos, but here my journey begins again. Welcome to Foodie Rupa, where home food family comes together. I am so excited because this is my first vlog, and what's better way to start with Bappa's blessings. I believe Bappa removes all the obstacles, and I want to begin this journey with him right by my side. For prasada, I am making Bappa's favorite modak. In this, I am using rice flour, freshly grated coconut, few almonds roughly chopped, and little elaichi powder. Simple and traditional, just the way Bappa loves it. Almonds in this modak gives crunchiness. If possible, try making the same way you just love the flavor. Meanwhile, my son is busy with his own special task. His teacher gave him this Ganesha print to decorate, and he is putting so much effort into making it beautiful. After puja, he will proudly take it back to school to show his teachers. For the outer layer of the modak, I boiled water with a little salt and ghee. Then added rice flour and mixed it well. Once it cooled slightly, I kneaded it into a soft, smooth dough. This helps shape the modak nicely without cracks. Once all the modak were ready, I steamed them about 10 minutes. When done perfectly, they turn shiny, soft and slightly translucent. That's how you know they are cooked just right. Since it's a festive day, I wanted to keep dinner simple too. I am making Batata Bhat, a quick and tasty rice dish with potatoes. It's light, filling and perfect when you don't want to spend hours in kitchen after puja. This hardly takes 15 minutes to make and it's loved by everyone at home, especially my husband. This year we kept the decoration minimal, a small setup but big place in our hearts. And with folded hands, we offered Modak to Bappa and prayed for wisdom, peace, and a beautiful start to this channel. This was our simple, heartfelt Ganesha puja at home and a perfect way to begin my new channel journey. I am making a Shubha Aram today. This channel will be all about homemaking, cooking, lunch boxes, traveling and so much more. I hope every video here feels like home and you are always invited. Ganapati Bappa Moraya.